Spider-Man. Whoa, whoa, easy, easy. Okay. Wait, but Spider-Man's here. No, I'm not taking a picture of Spider-Man. Go get the Green Goblin. Go get him. He's over there. Over there. Go! Oh, God. Oh. Come on, Spider-Man. Yeah. He's Spider-Man. Oh! He fell. Chubbs, I mean Spider-Man fell. There you go again. Oh, come on, Spider-Man. You got all that sticky icky on you. You should be able to stick to things. That's nice. Huh? I'll go get the controller. Oh no, it's Spider-Man. Oh no. Oh, he's looking for a Mary Jane. All right. So is that your other Spidey glove? You hyperventilating. You have a pretty big head. Your head is very big. Do you know that, Spider-Man? Oh no, he's so vicious. He's ferocious. That actually looked kind of scary. I like your shoes, Spider-Man. You have very nice shoes. Whoa! 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 Oh, 'cause you're Spider-Man. I forgot. You alright, Spider-Man? I could only see one of your eyes. Is that how? Oh, this kid is crazy. Whoa! Whoa! I killed the Spider-Man. I guess that makes me a Satan man. Oh. Oh God, I'm gonna enjoy every second of this. Oh no, Spider-Man! Spider-Man, save me. Save me, Spider-Man. So, Spider-Man, where's Mary Jane? Have you seen her lately? The girl. He's all wet over. No, it's the old girlfriend. Spider-Man! Spider-Man, what's that? I'm the Sandman! I'm the Sandman! Oh! You know Spider-Man. I don't remember Spider-Man ever using his head. Alright. Oh man. Is that so, Spider-Man? Is that true? Oh no, you took off your mask. That's it. The movie's over.